Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the conversion of number system, and particularly we are focusing on conversion of decimal number to any other base, means decimal to binary or decimal to octal or decimal to hexadecimal. We will see a standard way to convert decimal number to any of the base. So let us start with the very first example. Let us say there is a number 64.424 number which is in decimal part. So I wished to convert this decimal number into binary. So we need to convert the number in two stages. First of all, we'll convert integer part into binary, and then we'll convert the fractional part, that is the number 0.424, into the binary. So let us start with the very first part. So to convert 64 decimal into binary, I need to divide 64 with the base. So the given number is 64 and the required base is 2, and what I am going to write here is remainder bit, which will be treated as most significant bit or the least significant bit of the binary number. So we require to convert decimal into binary, that's why I am dividing this number with the help of binary base, that is nothing but 2. So 64 divided by 2, the answer is 32. That is nothing but remainder is 0. So again I have to follow the procedure till the number is not divisible by 2. So let us continue. Again 32 divided by 2, the answer is 16. Remainder bit is 0. Again 16 divided by 2, answer will be 8. Remainder bit is 0. 8 divided by 2, it is 4. Again no remainder bit. 4 divided by 2, answer is 2. No remainder bit. 2 divided by 2, answer is 1. No remainder. And still you cannot divide 1 by 2, that's why we will take 1 bit as it is. So after writing the whole division part, this 1 will be corresponding to most significant bit, and the 0 will correspond to LSB, that is the least significant bit, and you will write the number from MSB to LSB. Means what? You have successfully converted 64 decimal into binary as MSB to LSB 1000000. So this is the required conversion for 64 in binary.